Hi, so in today's video, what you're gonna learn is how to properly draw and shade a cylinder and also blend the values without smudging. Are you ready? Let's go. So first things first, we're gonna use the Denman-Ross 9-step value scale. And if you wanna pause that, you can to take a look at that here. And as you can see, I drew a little mini value scale to the left of this large cylinder. And I did that because I wanna show you that the lower down on the value scale you go, so the closer to black, then the lower down on the pencil you will hold your hand, okay? So, and the reason for that is that when you go up the value scale and get to the lighter values, a lot of people really struggle with lifting their pressure and having a lighter pressure. So this is a nice, easy trick to do so that you can get those super light values. Because if you have like a super heavy hand, like a lot of my students do, then you really should use this trick. So the lower down on the value scale, the lower down on your pencil. That's all you need to know. Super simple, super easy, and easy to remember, okay? I did that wrong, but here you go. So lower down on your pencil, the lower down on the value scale. Higher up, then higher up on your pencil. So with a cylinder, the entire point of trying to shade a cylinder is to practice blending, to practice getting accurate values, and to practice using proper line direction. Okay, so here is me actually doing the cylinder. And so you go all the way down with black, and then now you curve it a little bit, and you're gonna make each little chunk be lighter and lighter as you move from left to right. And you wanna have at least 6 chunks so that it can look more realistic, okay? So what you're doing is when you go from left to right, you're gonna go from black to white, and you want to leave that last chunk untouched. Leave it white, okay? So leave it the color of the paper. And then what you're going to do is after you have the chunks, you are going to go over them again and blend. And so a lot of people will smudge, and that is just, that drives me nuts. Please do not smudge. I know it takes a lot more effort to try and blend without smudging, but trust me, it is like so worth it. So it won't look rushed, and it won't look messy, and it won't look foggy. Like, it'll look more crisp if you don't smudge, okay? So what I'm doing here is I am just going back in, and I am smoothing out and blending every little chunk with the other chunks. So I'm going to go over 2 chunks at one time to try and blend them. And you're going to go over it lightly, and basically the friction with the pencil on top of that other layer of pencil that you already put down is going to blend it. All right. So there you have it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions for other art-related content that you want to see, leave all of that in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.